All right, we're going to take a look at finding percent of a number 6. You've done some like this already where you were given the part, which was 63, and you were given the total, which was 84, but you had to find the percent. So we're going to go over how to do that really quickly. Let's move this. All right. If you have the part and you have the whole, but you don't know what the percent is, what you're going to do, let's just look at this first one. All right, we have 63 is what percent of 84? Well, all right, so let's start with our 63. What is? Remember, is always what? Equals. Okay, is equals. And we don't know what the percent is, so we're just going to put a question mark there because we don't know what that is. And of always means times. All right, so we have 63 equals, and we're going to pretend that that question mark there, because that is the percentage, is the letter P. All right, so we're going to say 84 times P. Now remember, if you are multiplying over here, you would divide to get rid of it. And if you divide on the 84P side, you also have to divide the 63 by 84. So you're going to see something that looks like this. 63 divided by 84 equals 84 times P divided by 84. What happens on the side with the 84P and the 84 is this. These 84s will cancel out, and you're just going to be left with the letter P. But you have to divide 63 by 84. So let's go to our handy dandy calculator. And we're going to say 63 divided by 84. And that is equal to 0.75. So we have 0.75 equals P, or our percentage. All right, so to change that to a percentage, we're going to move our decimal 2 places to the right because we're going from decimal to percent. So we're going to move 1, 2 to the right, and we have 75% is equal to our percentage. I'm not going to put that on there. But then you're going to go right over here, and number 1, you're going to type in 75%. Now, if you'll notice, all of these are exactly the same. You're finding what percent something is. And notice that to solve this first one, all we did in reality was we took the 63 and divided it by 84. We took the part and we divided it by the whole. So let's look at the next one. 222, that is our part. And we want to know what percent of that is what percent of 148 that is. Now, these are going to give you some, remember the ones where you did times 125%, you came out with more than you started with. So you're going to have a bigger percentage on these, but you just have to remember which number to divide by which number. All right, 222 is the part, and 148 is the total for the whole. You're going to take your part and you're going to divide it by the total, all right, or the whole. So the part is 222 and 148 is the total or the whole. And let's see what we come out with. Use our calculator. 222 divided by 148 equals, all right, and we come up with 1.5. Now, to change that to a percentage, remember, you move your decimal 2 places to the right. You only have 1 place here, so you're going to have to put a placeholder over here. So that's going to be equal to 150%. And you'll come right here and you will put your 150%. Make sure you put your percent sign in the answer. All right, let's go through some of these. Just take a look up here. 16 is what percent of 80? Well, you're going to take the part which is 16, 16 divided by 80. And then you're going to change your decimal into a percent. Right here we have 306 is what percent of 153? We're going to say this is our part, even though it's bigger, 306 divided by 153. And then you're going to change that decimal into a percent. All right, let me go ahead and I'm going to stop this video. There we go.